Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.com. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.com. In this video I am going to show you how you can generate QR code for your business, or for your client. You can generate as many QR codes as you want. This QR codes will be readable and scannable, and can be used anywhere. The benefits of QR codes in business and marketing are countless. Everywhere you look, you see QR codes. In tickets, restaurant menu, product packaging, and many more. So in this video, we are going to be generating our own QR code, and when we scan it, we will be redirected to our desired link. Also we're going to be using Microsoft Excel. So let's get right into it. From Start menu, type Excel and open the application. Open blank workbook. Now we need a free add-in in order to generate our QR code. So to install the add-in, go to Insert tab. Now click on My Add-ins. Here you can see, I've already installed the add-in, but if you want to install it, go to Store tab and search for QR for Office. This is the add-in that we're going to use. It's a free add-in and very helpful. Click Add. Click Continue. The add-in is successfully installed, and a new pop-up window will open where we can customize our QR code. This is the preview of the QR code. First of all, enter the URL which you want to encode in your QR code. Here you can see the preview has changed. You can also change its primary color and the background one. And you can also increase the size. Now just click on Insert. QR code is successfully inserted. Now let me show you the proof of its working. I've downloaded a QR code scanner application. And now let's test it. I am gonna click on Scan. And here you can see the same exact URL which we insert while encoding. And when I click Browse Website, it will redirect me to that website. So you have your proof. Generate as many QR codes for your business as you want. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.